Alright, so this update is going to be very, very important. In fact, critical, because we have 14 critical security vulnerabilities that were patched with this update. So let's dive in and see exactly what is going on and more. Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video, we have an important new update for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So let's dive in and get started right away and see exactly what we are getting. Now, to get this update on your smartphone, whether you have One UI 8.5, 8.0, or even an older version, all you do is you go to your settings and then you scroll down. You might see the notification on the top, but you can scroll down, tap on software update, and tap on check for updates button. All right, and you can see in my case it has already installed itself, and I just need to restart the phone. But before that, let me show you what it is. So the biggest thing here is going to be the security patch for April is in fact here, which is fantastic. The size is going to be approximately 550 megabytes, in that range, based on what phone you have. This one happens to be an S26 Ultra, but again, if you have S24, S25, flip or fold, you are going to get this update. You can see the update ends in AZCM, and what I'm going to do is I am going to restart the phone. We're going to be right back, look at exactly what security update we got, and also check a couple other important things that you need to do as well. So let's tap on restart. We're going to be right back. All right, so we are back. Let's take a look at it. So it says the phone is now updated, so that's all great, as you can see. So let's look at these security patches that were applied. Some of them might be very important. So we're going to go to the settings, and you can do this on any phone. So at the bottom, go to About Phone, and then under Software Information, you scroll down, you tap on Android Security Patch Level, okay? That's going to take you to the Android website, and then you scroll down and you look at these security bulletins. Tap on that right over there. Scroll down and go over to Samsung. All right, they changed this a little bit. So then we can go down and look at all the April security patches that were applied to Samsung Galaxy phones. Now you can see we have a whole bunch of critical security patches that were applied to vulnerabilities. We have a bunch of high, but we have moderate, but this here shows you how important this particular security update is. We have so many critical holes in the system that were patched with this update, so make sure you do this as soon as possible. Very, very important. And you can also scroll down and read the details of some of these updates. As you can see, for example, this one affected Android 14, 15, and 16, and many more. As you can see, you can read the details. So that's number one. That's fantastic. Number two, let's go to the settings and go over to privacy and security, which should be somewhere here, okay? And then let's go over to updates, and you can see this one is already up to date. We just did that. That's a security update, but we do want to make sure Google Play System Update is also up to date. For some reason, I'm stuck at November, so let's see if I have an update. It should give me an update, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on, wow, actually, I'm not getting an update. So that's a little weird. Other phones that I have gone all the way to February for some reason, but this S26 Ultra is still stuck in November. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you are stuck in November as well. But regardless, if you do have an update, all you do is restart and install, okay? Quick update, but very, very important. So that's that. Now, the next thing that you want to do, again, to bring the phone completely up to date, is you want to go to the Galaxy Store, and then you tap on the menu, and you tap on the updates, and any updates you see here, just tap on Update All, and you are going to be good to go. There is going to be a lot of important stuff down here, so make sure that is up to date as well. And finally, you want to go to this Google Play Store, okay, this one right here, and also make sure all your apps are up to date. So go to Manage Apps and Devices, and look over here. I have 23 updates pending. I'm going to see the details. So many apps that need an update. I'm going to tap on Update All. We are going to be good to go. Now that 4-point update brings your phone exactly where it should be. Okay, now again, this is a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but other phones are getting all these updates as well, so make sure to check your phone and get this done. If you don't get it today, you will get it tomorrow. As you know, Samsung launches these updates in phases, but overall operation of the phone is very smooth as usual, which is fantastic. All right, no stutter, no lag. Obviously, this is the S26 Ultra. But anyway, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. And for now, have a fantastic day.